Hello friends, so today I'm doing unboxing of ta-da! This is the Mac Mini. I've got it on Best Buy. It's base model, which is 8 GB memory and which is RAM, and 256 GB SSD. That's why I've got that monitor AOPEN from Acer, which has HDMI cable, and it can be connected with this one. And let's open it. So I guess I open it. So I need this thing. How to open it? Okay, let's tear it. This is M1 chip inside. I hope I bought the one with M1. So let's open it. Like this. Wow. Here is the thingy, Mac Mini. Ta-da! Wow. In boxes this thing and this. So it comes with this thingy. What's inside? It comes with stickers, or just one sticker. Here is the Mac Mini something. Here is some flyer. Nice smell, I like it. Put it back. Then it's power cable. Looks like this. Here, nice, and here is just box. So I show you now this thingy. Looks like this. I guess you open through here. Ta-da! Here is Mac Mini. And then here is this thing that we need to open, like here. Okay, so we have inputs like power input, Ethernet. Here's the fan. Here are two inputs, something C something. Here HDMI and USB, and here is the headphones, and those are display port and other kind. Okay, now I have to connect it. So I will connect it with this monitor to plug it in. So, and here is nice apple. Nice. So I plug it into this thing, power cord. Okay, power cord is in. Here is the button to turn it on, power button. I still don't know where I will put it. I have to figure it out, but now I just, power cord is in, so now I have to plug this thing. This thing, and I have to plug it into the back of monitor, and I have to connect HDMI cable, which is here. Now I will plug in. Here is my monitor. Let's power it on somewhere here. Oh, now it's powered. AOPEN it says. Okay, and let's power this thing. Where is that power button? Because I forgot here. Okay. Well, it's shown here. Oh, it's showing. Look, guys, it's showing. Yay, I have to have mouse. Okay, mouse work. Logitech. So now I have to make this thing. English. Okay.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Wait a minute. Return, which is return? United States, yes. A minute. Here is the keyboard. Hope it will show. Okay. Continue. Not now. Now I set up the Wi-Fi. First issue I had that this keyboard couldn't connect because I don't know if Bluetooth was on. So I connected with USB keyboard to set up internet because otherwise it couldn't access. So now I pick this thing. Here I will put my elbow. When we ask about choose the look, I guess I will choose light look. So it looks like this. So I connected finally. It was easy when it was already on, so I can now unplug this. I hope I unplug it. This one. Let's see this one. Yeah, it works. See? Good. So how that monitor looks like. So the quality is so-so. I would say there's this thing over. But here's not that retina. See, it's not super good, but when you're a little far away you don't notice, but I think I will buy a better monitor in future. I'm not hurried to it. For example, side looks like this. Oh, antivirus. Wait, be right back. So I installed Avast. Continue. I wanted to show you that this is Mac Mini M1. Storage is 215 now. Also wanna just check what kind of software is installed. So as you can see, only this soft. Safari, Mail, Calendar, Reminders, Notes, FaceTime, Messages, Maps, Photos, Numbers, those. Home, we have iMovie. Other. This kind. I don't want this. So yeah, this is the Mac Mini unboxing and connecting with my monitor. And this is also a monitor video, how it looks, how colors looks like. And here you can see how it is. Not bad, but maybe in future we'll buy better one. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy such videos. If you do, thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next one. Bye.